in Alaska, but it's too cold. And here there are many polar bears, and I'm going to look more polar bears. But you have to continue with your activity. So open your book, please. This is the vocabulary of today. It refers to the keywords, so you have to practice and repeat after me, please. Muffin. The muffin is a delicious bread. For example, I love the muffin. Raisins. These are raisins. I don't like the raisins in my food. Recipe. The recipe is a process that you have to follow to make a food or a dish. This is an example of recipe. In this case, it's a recipe of a frozen banana yogurt bites. In this case, or in this recipe, we have ingredients and a method. A method consists in steps. You have to follow step by step the instruction. And in the ingredients, you have all the products or the things that you need in this recipe. Let's continue with our activities. And part 4, what can we build together? In this case, we are going to work on pages 66 and 67. On page 66, you have only the activity 1 and 2. In the first activity, you have to look the text and read it, and then complete activity number 2. This is a recipe of a muffin snacks. So then you have to choose the correct option about the sentences. For example, number 1, the text explains how to first option, make a dish, or number 2, play a sport. Choose the best option. On page 67, you have to answer only the activity number 3. In this page, you have an explanation about the recipe, and the activity number 3, you have to match the text in each column to complete the sentences and use the information in the recipe. If it's necessary, you can read the text again and to complete this activity. For example, number 1, the name of the dish described in the recipe is, and you have to choose the best option. Dear students, it's all for today, but see you tomorrow. Bye.
I never made it, but I know